Sorry about that, my camera ran out of battery power. So, to just recap, this is a giveaway. What you need to do for this giveaway is to like the video, be subscribed to the channel, and in the comments, if you can, please leave me a question. There is no restriction on this giveaway as to where you are in the world. So if you happen to be in Australia or New Zealand, you are still entitled to be in the draw for this giveaway. So that's it. The giveaway is now ongoing. We are going to be starting it on Monday, I'm just getting to where I'm supposed to be. Hang on a minute. We'll start it on Monday the 18th, and it will run until 18th of September, so it will run until the 27th of September, and the giveaway will be, it's running until midnight on the 27th of September. So I'll do the draw first thing on the last thing Sunday on the night. So so Monday the 18th, and we go through until midnight on the 27th. And the result will be announced on the Thursday the 28th. So just to go through that again, we're going to be starting the giveaway on Monday the 18th. You have until Wednesday the 27th at midnight UK time to get your entry in, as a draw will take place shortly after midnight on the 27th. The result will be given to you on Thursday the 28th. If you've got any questions, please put them below as to the draw. Normal giveaway rules in line with the YouTube, and good luck to everybody who enters. So until we meet up again, and the draw, as I say, takes place on Thursday the 28th, or very early minutes of Thursday the 28th, and the result will be shown on YouTube on the 28th. Good luck to all who enter, and from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.